In 2018 and 2019, when floods had struck Kerala, I wanted to lend a helping hand, but I could not. It is only during this COVID time that I could come forward and do my little part or contribute a little towards my community. I am a mechanical engineer, but I manage patient data or I collect patient details, and this is completely unrelated to what I studied. So I think you do not need to be qualified in a certain aspect or a certain field in order to do your little part to help the community. If I can do it, so can everyone.
Until March, everything was so normal. We had our assignments, projects, and everything in college. Suddenly, the lockdown happened. It was then me and my friends thought of contributing to the society in some way we could possible. So we came up with a product, Corona Safe Stay, which is an online platform to list and book hotels for the 14-day quarantine stay in Kerala.
സൈൻ ബോർഡിൻ്റെ വർക്കാണ് എനിക്ക് ജോലി, ഗ്രാനൈറ്റിൽ കൊത്തുപണികൾ. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ കഴിഞ്ഞ 13 വർഷമായിട്ട് പാലിയേറ്റീവ് കെയറിൽ ഒരു വാളണ്ടിയറായിട്ട് സേവനം ചെയ്യുന്നു. എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെ സ്വന്തം ജോലി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഒരുപാട് സമയം രോഗികളുമായി വീടുകളിലേക്ക് എത്തപ്പെടാൻ കഴിയുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് അവർക്ക് ചെറിയ രീതിയിൽ നമ്മളെക്കൊണ്ട് എന്താണ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുന്നത് അതാണ് ഞാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആർക്കും പാലിയേറ്റീവ് കെയറിൻ്റെ വാളണ്ടിയറാകാം. വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കോ സമൂഹത്തിൽ ഏത് മേഖലയിൽ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നവർക്കോ പാലിയേറ്റീവ് കെയറിലേക്ക് വാളണ്ടിയറായി കടന്നു വരാം.
When I was invited to be part of the Corona Safe Network, to be part of the team in designing these guidelines, I was very happy to say yes, because this is an opportunity for me to contribute in my own little way to actually fight this particular pandemic which we are all struggling to get over.
So we all know how the situation was. We had so many people flying down from abroad. So there was a need for a platform wherein you can actually book for your quarantine stay, and that is what we came up with. The immense pleasure and satisfaction I had being a part of this project, coming down from a student community and contributing to such a socially relevant cause, is something which I cannot explain in words. And I do believe if I can do this, then you can as well.
As the coronavirus restrictions hit, me and my friends were looking for ways to help people navigate this unfamiliar environment. As we came to know of the Corona Safe team, we reached out to them and pitched few ideas. They were highly receptive of our ideas and have helped us refine them to a greater level. Today, with my friends and countless others, we help thousands of people get through this pandemic.
When the pandemic happened, I wanted to make use of my time and contribute somewhere. So I joined the COVID helpline unit as a moderator, and I do not belong to a health background, or I do not belong to the health industry, but this opportunity has given me the chance to see how people have been working day and night during the pandemic, and I've got the chance to interact with some amazing people. It has been a great experience for me, a very enriching experience, and I would say if you get any chance to contribute to society in any way, in any small way possible, please do so, because it adds huge contribution to your own experiences.
ഇത് സാധാരണ നമ്മൾ ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽസിലൊക്കെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യണതിനേക്കാൾ ഒരുപാട് വ്യത്യാസകരമായ ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് ദിസ് ടെലിമെഡിസിൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ for me it was a different thing, and secondly ee oru pandemic le I was wondering like what is it that I can do to make a difference for those people who are traveling from abroad and they feel so lonely and isolated. So that is how I decided to volunteer and to put my name forward for something like this. And according to me, irrespective of whatever background you're from or whichever field that you work in these kind of disaster situations, any effort, small or big, whatever is possible can make a huge difference. So you don't need to hesitate to do whatever bit that you can.